Hello, this is Alexio Zella, and I won the Moki Stuff mystery box at the raffle. I actually won a couple raffle items, but this one was listed as a mystery box, so I thought it would be fun to unbox it on camera. Um, the listing just said Moki Stuff. Everyone loves Moki Stuff. Stuff like picks, pouches, stickers, and other such things. You know, Moki stuff. And because it's a mystery pot, I'm expecting the things that are listed to just be possibilities. But it does say picks, some Moki merch, pouch, stickers, shop voucher. You know, Moki stuff. So I'm excited to open this up. I actually got it yesterday, but just didn't have time to film till now. So let's get this open. I feel like I never know how to open these, but I'll just start cutting and eventually it'll be open. Let's see. I did talk with Moki a little bit about what would be in it. So I have some idea of what I might find, but at my request, I requested he mostly keep it a secret, so I will get some surprises here. I really just don't know how to open a box. All right. So, oh man. Got a nice Moki hat. And then, oh wow, got some nice smoky scales and some of the screws to hold those in. Wow, a ton of Moki scales. This is a big box. Where do I even begin? Oh wow, I heard that there was gonna be some kind of custom shirt. That's neat. Let's see. Lockpickers United. Yeah, wow. That is so cool. Wow. I have this'll I guess this'll be my new picking tray. I have a picking tray, but it's just one that I crudely cut out of wood. So this is so nice. Wow. Then this is the Lockmaster. I think this is where you oop. I think this is where there's a bunch of like picks inside, like a kind of Swiss Army knife with picks almost, is what I'm thinking this is. Yeah, I don't know how to use this, but that's definitely what's going on here. We got a tensioner here, and I will, after this video, figure out how to actually open this. But oh man, I actually have one of these on my wish list, so that is so cool. Let's see what else. This is so much stuff. A pouch. I have a bunch of picks, and I don't have any pick pouches that can hold more than a pick or two. So, oh my goodness. That is incredible. Oh yeah, that is gonna make me stop losing some of my lock stuff. Oh man. Let's see what else. This is a big box. Oh my goodness. This will help me like store my picks if they're not in a case or if I have overflow. I think this you just set on the counter and have a bunch of picks handy. That is going to be so nice. Right now all my picks are just scattered everywhere basically. And then we have some nice Moki picks. Oh, different thicknesses. I don't know if I even knew Moki did different thicknesses. This is 0.5 millimeter. And this is 0.4 millimeter. Wow. Let's see. Oh. Got some locks. A dom. 2 dom. Hopefully I've been showing things to the camera enough. I'm sorry, I've been a little excited and getting carried away here. Nice, yeah, really neat. And even some more scales. Wow, that is so cool. Well, that was a ton of stuff. Thank you so much, Moki. And if you watched this, thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't put any videos out for a while. I have a challenge lock video of a challenge lock I made that I've just been too lazy to upload for an embarrassingly long amount of time, so I'll probably post that before too long. And eventually I'll start doing picking videos more reliably, but who knows when that will be. But that is so cool that I thank you again, Moki, and thanks for watching. Bye. At first I also missed these nice stickers that were hiding behind the pinning tray.